I was recently asked to film this year's Red Bull promotional wrap on one of the Brightline trains. This resulted in a week-long search for this train, trying to track it down at different locations. I got permission to use the footage for my own video as well, so I figured I would make a dedicated video on the train. We'll start the search in Rockledge, at Rinker Way, and then Barnes Boulevard. This is the second summer that Red Bull has wrapped a Brightline train. This year's features the two end cars promoting the limited edition summer flavor of White Peach, and the middle four cars having Red Bull inspired artwork representing the four major cities Brightline serves. Here is the same location and time, but from the ground. Now at Barnes Boulevard, and the train is passing through the CP Bonaventure crossover, northbound. And now southbound. Continuing south to Suntree Boulevard, where I only had time to film from the ground before it came flying past. While there's a lot of detail to take in while the train is stopped at a station, it can be hard to see it all when flying by at 100 miles per hour. In an initial try at getting it passing over water, I went to the Gallie River Bridge for it heading southbound. And here's a ground level catch of that same train. Next up is Turkey Creek in Palm Bay for an additional catch over water on another bridge. Here it is southbound. And on the ground. The final catch of this odyssey was in Jensen Beach. Here it is, passing through the Jensen Beach Boulevard crossing. And from the ground. Stay tuned for my next two videos for the rest of the trains I caught while on the hunt for this Red Bull wrap.